If you've ever wondered which Stanbic IBTC Mutual Fund is right for you, this video will make everything clear. In the next few minutes, you'll learn what each Stanbic IBTC Mutual Fund invests in, the kind of returns Nigerians are earning, and which fund suits 5,000 naira beginners versus long-term wealth builders. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where your money fits. Welcome to the channel where I break down investing in simple Nigerian English. No jargon, no confusion. If this sounds useful, subscribe and join the community, because subscribing helps you avoid costly money mistakes. Think of a mutual fund like a big investment basket. Thousands of Nigerians pool their money together, and professional fund managers invest it in treasury bills, bonds, and stocks. You don't invest alone. Professionals do it for you. Stanbic IBTC has managed investments for decades and is part of one of Africa's largest banking groups. They offer multiple funds for different goals, strong regulation, and options for low risk, medium risk, and high growth investors. One fund manager, many life goals. The Money Market Fund is the most popular Stanbic IBTC fund. It invests in treasury bills, commercial papers from strong companies, and bank deposits. These are low-risk instruments focused on capital safety. As of 2026, the yield is around 15.9%. This is where many Nigerians safely park their cash. For example, if you invest 1 million naira, you could earn about 159,000 naira in 1 year while keeping your capital relatively safe. You can withdraw anytime, making it ideal for emergency savings and short-term goals. Liquidity plus safety equals peace of mind. The Dollar Fund is designed for Nigerians who want dollar exposure. It invests in euro bonds and dollar fixed deposits, helping protect wealth from naira depreciation. The yield is around 6.9% per year in dollars. You earn in dollars, not just in naira. This fund suits Nigerians earning in naira, but saving in dollars. Business owners with international clients, and anyone hedging against inflation. If you invest $1,000, both your capital and returns will remain in dollars. This is how Nigerians protect wealth from currency risk. The Enhanced Fixed Income Fund sits between low and moderate risk. It invests in bonds, treasury bills, and corporate debt, targeting about 17% annual return. With 1 million naira invested, you could earn roughly 170,000 naira in 1 year. Higher returns without extreme risk. The Guaranteed Investment Fund protects your capital if you stay invested for at least 3 months. About 70% goes into bonds and 30% into money market instruments. 1 year return is about 9%, and 5-year growth is roughly 31%. Steady income. No nasty surprises. Ethical and Sharia-compliant funds avoid alcohol, gambling, tobacco, weapons, and interest-based investments. They focus on sukuk and halal instruments. 1 year yield is about 7.5%, with roughly 30% growth over 5 years. Your values and your money can work together. The Balanced Fund mixes stocks, bonds, and money market instruments, giving near equal exposure to equities and fixed income. 1 year return is about 51.67%, while 5-year growth exceeds 200%. This fund balances growth and stability. The Nigeria Equity Fund is for bold investors. It invests mainly in Nigerian stocks, meaning higher risk but higher reward. Over 5 years, it has delivered about 304% growth. 1 million naira invested years ago could be worth over 3 million naira today. High risk, high reward. Not for the faint-hearted. Other funds include the Iman Fund, Bond Fund, Conservative Fund, Absolute Return Fund, and Aggressive Fund. Always choose based on your risk appetite and investment horizon. Match the fund to your life stage and goals. Getting started is simple. Visit the Stanbic IBTC Fund Management website, click Invest Now, sign up in under 10 minutes, complete verification with BVN and NIN, choose a fund, and start with as little as 5,000 naira. You can track online, use the app, or visit a branch. Start today and thank yourself later. Your money journey starts now.